Okay, so in this video, I will try to fix your voice chat problems in Marvel Rival. So first of all, we want to focus on the Windows settings that your input device is selected. So go to your settings and type in sound. Right here, we want to go input, and on input, you want to select your microphone itself. So I have just selected my external microphone, not on headset. If you have a headset, you want to select your output and input device the same. So right here, microphone, then go back to your game. Right here, go to the top right corner, then click on settings, and right here we have several options. We want to go to the second one, to audio, scroll all the way down, and then you want to make sure that the voice chat is enabled first of all. So right here, you want to select a yes, this voice chat should be turned on, and then you want to select your input device. So right here you have to select the same device you have selected in your computer setting. So right here, the microphone HyperX Quadcast, select this one, and then we have the voice chat mode. Right here you want to use push to talk. So you will just be able to talk if you press a specific button. Select this one, then your voice chat volume should be around 30 to 50. I prefer a lower voice chat volume to focus on the game sounds, and not on the other players. So right here, mic volume is an individual setting for your microphone. Just test things out. If someone is crying in the lobby that you are too loud, just turn this one a little bit lower. At the end, I want to show you how you can change the push to talk setting. So maybe this is your mistake, that you don't know where to press to talk while selecting. So go to keyboards, and then the third option is communication. Right here we want to scroll again all the way down, and down here we have the voice chat. On voice chat, pre-selected is this little button right here. I've selected the number 3 right now. As you can see, you have a little preview for all the keys which are available. So if you want to change, just select key that is not used, so the right ones, and then press the key, and as you can see, we have now changed the button from 3 to 4.
Click on this video right now if you don't want to miss the best settings for FPS and visibility in Marvel Rivals.